3M now offers a 2mm by 2mm pitch latch eject header. The compact header offers a durable, flexible solution for applications where circuit board space is a concern. The 2mm latch eject header provides a robust system solution when mated with 3M brand IDC sockets 1522 series and 3M brand molded assemblies 2M series. The latch ejectors maintain a secure connection to the cable assembly during operation, yet allows for easy removal of the harness when needed. 3M uses roll pins to attach the latches instead of a snapping system designed to enable connectivity in high-vibration applications and during shipping. The latch incorporates a unique design that resists breakage when ejecting the mating assembly, increasing system reliability. 13-pin count options from 6 to 50 positions are available, offering design flexibility across applications. The connector bodies feature center bump polarization and are made from PCT resins, allowing for high-temperature processing in lead-free environments up to 260 degrees Celsius. RoHS-compliant straight and right-angle headers with regular solder tails for through-hole boards are available, as well as vertical surface mount versions with gold wing solder tails.